Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and it's Monday, and so I'm making me and Calvin a lunch today. I'm going to be making us a meatball sub casserole, and this is a real easy recipe, and it's another one of my budget-friendly recipes. And I hope everyone had a great weekend this week, and it's kind of hard to have a good weekend when you still can't do everything and a lot of things are still closed. But me and Calvin managed to get out in nature a little bit and do some walks and stuff and have fun that way. But anyway, the ingredients in this is Texas toast. You can use French bread. And so I'm going to be using mayonnaise and pasta salts and Italian seasoning, garlic salt, butter, cream cheese, mozzarella cheese. And these meatballs are some that we had left over. And this is a 2-pound bag, so we've got about a pound left, and that's what the recipe calls for. And I'm going to be cutting these up, and then you'll need some spray to spray your pan with. And so let me get started on this easy budget-friendly recipe. I know me and Kevin's going to love it for lunch. Okay, for my recipe, I'm cutting all of my meatballs in half, and this is approximately a pound of them. Okay, I almost have all of my meatballs cut in half, and so now I'm going to do my toast. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is slightly butter my toast. Okay, so now I'm going to put some garlic salt over it. Just sprinkle it lightly. And so I'm going to put this under the boiler until it's toasted. Okay, my toast has been under the boiler and it's ready now, and so now I'm going to put in my cream cheese. And I'm going to put in my, this is 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And now then I'm going to be putting in some Italian seasoning. Okay. And I'm going to whip this up. Okay. I have this all combined now, mixed up. Okay, so I've got my cream cheese mixture mixed up, so now I'm going to assemble my casserole. Okay, get me a knife and slice that right quick. Okay, so now I'm going to be putting on my cream cheese mixture. I'm trying to spread this on here as evenly as I can. Now I'm going to put my meatballs evenly on my casserole.
That's a lot of meatballs. It's going to fill it up nicely, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so. I'm trying not to say that it smells good, but it does.
Well, it's going to make a great lunch today, so I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, so let me wipe my hands off just for a minute. Okay, so now that I'm going to add my pasta sauce. I left out one. I'll stick him right there. Okay, let me wash my hands before I get my cheese. Okay. So now I'm going to put on my mozzarella cheese, about 2 cups. I'm going to put this in the oven at 350 and I'm going to cook it for about 30 minutes. My meatball sub casserole has been cooking for 30 minutes on 350 degrees, and it really smells good and it looks good too. I think Everything looks better with a little parsley. I'm fixing to serve me and Calvin up a piece of it. Take this out. See if it'll cut just right like that. So here goes. Whoops, that's still warm. Okay. It's still steaming. It really looks good. And we're going to have a salad to go with it. And I'm ready to eat. For lunch today, me and Calvin is having a Meatball Sub Casserole, and both of us can't wait to just dig into it because it's lunchtime and we're hungry. And we're having a side salad to go with it and iced tea. Now for the part that I always enjoy doing the most, the taste test. Got some of that cheese with it and some of the meatball. This is a good casserole, and we will be trying it again. This casserole tasted really good. It's the first time I've ever made it, and one of the things I love about it is it's easy to prepare, and it's also a budget-friendly recipe, and it's also Italian, and I love Italian and Mexican foods. Those are my two favorite, and so y'all do what you love and love what you do, and I'm gonna dig into this and have a nice lunch today. Bye.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together